Excuse me. Come here.
How you doing?
Hey, I'm Officer Arts from the Police Department. Hey,
The insurance is unconfirmed on that.
reach the stop. You got a brake light out, man. Sorry, I was having a hard time catching
Who
that
had a
speed.
what?
You got a brake light out. Hey, come here.
Yeah, you got a brake light out.
This your mom or? Hi, how you doing? This your car? Okay. Hey, I just saw y'all go by. I saw a brake light out. Okay.
Okay.
Just reach the stop. All right.
Okay.
I'm not trying to like just get you in your driveway. It's just kind of where we ended up. You know, I was trying to catch
Well,
up,
we
turn
get the
around.
light fixed. It's not
Okay.
an issue.
Well, hey man, because it's a traffic stop, I need your driver's license. Okay.
I'd like to give me some water.
Hey, no. Hey! Hey, you can't leave, man.
Okay. Thank you.
Hey, man.
Thank you, mister.
Hey, right now it's traffic stop, you can't leave. All right?
Okay. I wouldn't know I was stopped. Honestly.
Yeah,
That's what I'm saying.
that's what I just told you, okay? You have your, hey.
This is my car.
Okay,
Let me get your
hey,
insurance.
but you were driving, do you have your driver's license?
I don't have anything on me. Did we just go into
Okay.
the store? That's what she was doing.
Okay. Well, hey, I need your name, all right?
I'm deaf. I can't freaking hear. What is that?
Okay.
I can't hear nothing he's
Okay,
saying.
well, hey,
I'm
he
deaf.
was driving, so I need his driver's license, but he said he doesn't have one on him. Does he have a driver's license?
His wallet's not with us. I don't have anything with me
Okay.
at all.
Do you have a driver's license, though?
No, I do not. I don't have a driver's license. That's what I said. We was just riding. I was riding with her. She
Okay,
didn't
you know
drive.
you can't drive without a driver's license, man.
I understood that, but that's what I'm saying. I wasn't even bothering nobody. I didn't even know
Okay.
what was going on.
Okay.
Like, it's just a random, it's just my light out, right?
Yeah. But it's still a traffic violation, same as speed, you know what I mean? We're running a red light, you know what I mean?
I mean, I wasn't doing nothing.
Okay. Driving with defective equipment is the same as running a red light or anything like that, you know what I mean?
I was asking this man called and said, "Oh, you supposed to helping us paint or whatever."
Okay.
Sorry.
What's your name? Hey.
Number 1,
Hey, man.
522 West Marshall.
You alright?
Yes, that's why
You
we
got a
go to
male
the
laying on the
doctor.
street face down here. This.
Okay.
I have been, it's been going on. I'm trying to
Okay,
go
hey,
to
man.
the store to
What's
get
your
some
name?
Hey,
things.
your RV system.
Oh,
Okay. Anybody else in the car?
just the dog.
A dog? Okay.
Oh,
And this is your car?
yeah.
Okay. Why'd y'all pull in here? So you helping him paint?
No, he's supposed to be helping me paint.
He's supposed to be coming by.
Can I use pot?
No, dude. You gotta hold on. Alright, here's his
I'm
back.
about to
Okay.
poop myself.
Saying for the house that we stay at, he's supposed to be coming
He
by
supposed to be
here.
coming back here.
So we went by here because we're going to the dollar store right there.
Okay.
Oh,
But
What's his name?
yeah, I pot.
I don't know his name. You know his name? The maintenance
Mr. Bill was all I know.
Mr. Miller?
Yeah,
Okay.
Mr. Bill so often come to see.
Have you ever had a driver's license in the state of Texas?
No,
You from Texas?
no.
Where are you from?
I'm from Oklahoma.
Do you have an Oklahoma driver's license or ID
I had
card?
an Oklahoma ID.
Go ahead.
Oh,
Alright, man. Hey, dude. I need you to chill out, okay? I get it, but I need you to just hang out right here, okay?
yes, sir.
Alright, you stay right here for me,
If you
alright?
let me, oh,
Nah, man. You gotta stay right here.
Yo, Pat.
anybody's pot.
Hey, when we're done, stay right here.
I'm about to poop.
Hey, man.
10-4.
Come over here.
Yes, sir.
Hey, I said stand over here, alright?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Can I use the pot?
Have you ever been pulled over before?
Huh?
Have you ever been pulled over before?
No.
Alright, when you get pulled over, you're detained, you can't go anywhere.
Who?
Period. When you get pulled over, you cannot go anywhere.
Okay.
Alright, which means you need to stand right here. And you need to be still.
Yeah, I'm about to pot.
You said you had insurance in the car?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I need to see
I'm
it.
doing everything I can to try to stand in one spot. I really
You got
am.
the insurance on your phone?
Yes.
Okay, your phone's in your pocket, man.
Huh?
Your phone is in your pocket.
Give me some tissue.
Hey, man, we need to worry about that in a minute. Alright, man?
Huh? Can I use the pot, please?
Dude, no. In a few minutes, you can. Hey!
You gonna give him the insurance?
Hey!
I'm trying not to.
Okay, insurance, man. We ain't playing.
Have insurance.
63.
You is trying to make me poop on myself, look.
Go ahead. Clear 29s, 27 is current. Clear for Joshua Michael.
And this is only the beginning, because in part 2, this traffic stop takes a dramatic turn when the officer finally tries to take control of the situation and the driver suddenly makes a run for it.